Next, taskbar. Taskbar in Windows 7 is very flexible and provides easy direction to access users' favorite program. As this taskbar is similar to this shortcut icon that given in the desktop. If I click this shortcut, it will open the file. Likewise, if I click the shortcut which is given in the taskbar, if I click VLC media player, the VLC media player file will be open, so I can easily access the files and folders from taskbar itself, which is similar to the usage of icons. But there are some difference between these two. Let me tell you. One can preview files and programs in full screen mode by pointing to the thumbnails of icons by simply moving the pointer over them. Windows can even close through the thumbnail preview. As I told you, there are some difference between this icon which is present in the desktop and the icon that is given in the taskbar. Those are, if I point the mouse pointer here, nothing will be shown. But if I move a pointer towards the file that is opening from the taskbar, if I just clicking here, see, I am just make a mouse over on it. See, the file is preview in a thumbnail itself. The file doesn't need to be open to see what is the content inside that, but if I just make a mouse over on that, there is a preview that shows the content which is present inside the file. So that is enough for me to see the file. So likewise, see, wherever I'm just make my mouse over in the easy access to this file, it just shown what are the active things which is existing inside that file. So that is the great difference between this icon and the shortcuts that added in the taskbar. And one more thing, I can close the file by just clicking on the thumbnail itself. Actually, if I want to close a window, means I have to go to the top right corner and I have to select this close button, right? I have to select this close button. But if it is accessed, if the file is accessed from the taskbar itself, means I don't need to open the file. I am just make a mouse over on that. The content that shown here itself, it will be, there will be a close button given here. If I click the close button here, the entire file will be closed. And one more feature in this taskbar is, if I make a mouse over here, it will show the recent file also. Like if I make a mouse over here, if I make a right click on the icon that present in the taskbar, means it will show the latest files. I can access the latest file from here itself. If I make a right click on the icon that present in the taskbar, means it will show the recent files. And if many windows are opening in my desktop, I want to see my desktop, which means these windows are hiding my desktop. So I want to see the desktop. So I can click the right click on the taskbar, and if I give the command as show desktop, show the desktop, means all the windows that is active, those are active, will be minimized. So this is the one more feature possessed by taskbar. So the arrow peak feature enable us to turn the open windows transparent and the desktop screen visible. This can be done by pointing towards a show desktop at the right edge of the taskbar. As I told you, if I click the right edge of the taskbar, make a right click on it, and if I give show the desktop option, means see, I have given show the desktop. I just make a right click on the taskbar and given, if I again given show open windows, the windows that is active, those are active, will be shown. If desktop is not showing, if I right click on the taskbar, again that option will be enabled. show the desktop. If I click windows side by side, all the windows will be shown side by side. If I give show the desktop option, it will show the desktop. If I go again and click right click, make a right click on the taskbar, then that option will be disabled and show open window option will be enabled. If I click show open windows, then the active windows will be shown. This is how taskbar help a user to make a easy access of his own self. This is how taskbar helps enables user to easy access for their files.